Spendesk lets companies reimburse employee expenses quickly from anywhere with no paper involved. Here's how it works. A team member uses their personal card or cash on a business expense, in this case, a client meeting. They can make an expense claim that very moment whilst the event is fresh. They open the Spendesk app and take a photo of the receipt right there and then. Spendesk safely stores the receipt so it can never get lost. Spendesk's OCR technology reads the receipts and completes the price, supplier and VAT details. The perfect expense claim is just a few steps away. First, they choose the cost centre to match the payment with the right department and team budget. Then, they add a description so that their manager knows what they've purchased. Finally, they add an accounting analytics code to save time at the end of the month. Once the manager approves the expense, the finance team can reimburse them instantly from Spendesk. Job done! A flawless expense claim in less than 45 seconds.